John Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland, cleanpowerwash.com. So we're doing a roof job over here. Show you behind me. I'm standing on a porch roof right now. We quoted the roof, we quoted the patio, the house, shed, and a couple other little things. They have to just for the house and the roof. Now we've actually gotten up with them about cleaning out the gutters because they are pretty stinking full. Now, if you think about it, hey, that might be a good thing. Then it's going to keep the stuff from running out. But the problem there is that if we get more rain today, or there gets more solution into it, then those gutters are going to be able to overflow wherever they want, which is probably not going to be where we want them to overflow. So by us cleaning the gutters now, we just called a customer, sold them on us $185 on this. Normally it'd be $225 for a roof for gutter cleaning on this size house. But just a way to add it on there, but we want to make sure again that we're able to control and be in charge of where everything's running off as much as possible on this. I mean, you can see behind us, it's cleaned up pretty good. It's an older roof. It's probably got, I'm gonna say another 5-10 years left in it. Some of the spots are getting pretty low on granules. Anyways, have a great day, guys. And again, that's why you want to clean gutters, not leave them full of debris. And you can also see right here where we got a little bit of the mix right there, where it hasn't gotten mixed, but it got mixed right there. So have a great day.